Hey there, everybody. Welcome back for another video. It's great to see you again. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about something that some people are really scared of and something that I think and I have a real passion for, and that is AI. AI is obviously the shortened version of artificial intelligence. Now, AI has been part of our world for forever. Okay, there has been some kind of AI always utilized in our lives for a very, very long time. But AI has now become something so ingrained into our life and our existence that it is just part of our everyday. And obviously, this kind of started in the world in about 2022 when ChatGPT I can't see myself, so I don't know whether you can see me, when ChatGPT just kind of launched into the world and changed everything. Now we've got AI everywhere. It is part of our life as educators. And what I want to tell you is that AI is a fantastic teaching assistant. It is a tool that is going to help you and make your life so much easier. There are so many things that you are doing now that are taking so much time that you can now get AI to do in seconds. Okay? So you can actually get these tools to do things that used to take us ages. So don't be scared of AI, okay? AI at this particular point in time, when I'm filming this, is 2026. It's July 2026. Actually, it's August now. Yeah, it's August now. I don't even know what month it is. That's hilarious. So at the moment, AI is not going to take your jobs, okay? At the moment, AI is a tool. It is a teaching assistant, all right? It is there to support you in the classroom, to be a better educator, okay? To do more for your students, to differentiate, to create new resources, to do those things that you always wanted to do, but you never had the time to do, okay? This is the great thing about AI. It is going to provide us with so many more opportunities compared to what we have had in the past. So don't be scared of AI. It is there to assist you. It is not there to take your job, at least not here in 2026. Who knows what the future will bring, but right now we need educators, we need real humans, we need people who are going to be able to focus on what our kids need, because, AI and computers, they can't give us the well-being support, the differentiation. They can't do that, all right? They can't provide that level of assistance to the people that we need to provide that to, which is our students. So if you want to find out more about AI, don't forget that we do offer a whole heap of things that you can come and explore here with Tristan Heron. So one of those is our internet I'm trying to walk and it's really hard to breathe as well. One of those is our Innovative EdTech workshops. So come and join us each month for our Innovative EdTech workshops. They are live streamed on YouTube and our Facebook page. And this is where we share a whole heap of different things. So come and join us. If you want to check out our previous episodes, just head over to the Tristan Heron YouTube channel and check those out. So we'd love if you would come and join us. Okay, our next Innovative EdTech episode is coming up very soon, and we're actually looking at an AI tool called EdCafe. So come and join us for that one. All the details are on our YouTube channel. They're also on our Facebook page, and we'd love to see you there. All right, that's probably it for today. But don't be scared of AI. It is a tool. It is there to help you and support you to become an even better, more amazing educator. All right, I'll catch you again very soon. But until then, everybody, stay safe and keep having fun with EdTech.